Sorry about that cringy video earlier. Need to calm down a bit. What are these lights doing? Must be like advertising a concert. I need to get my build up my CBDs or something. Something's wrong. Sure don't feel mentally stable. I know that much. May Allah return me to mental stability after getting Havana syndrome again. I mean, that was like a Havana syndrome attack. That's a good call. Remove yourself from society if you feel Havana syndrome, so they don't make it worse with street theater and EEG heterodyning. That's like how they make it worse. It's like add insult to injury. So get out of there. So see a little bit of architecture over here. Palm trees.